What do we have here?
Old school dishwasher's clothes machine.
Wow. That one's electric. That's pretty flash. It's electric. Huh. Meile. Gee, they're old, aren't they? Old company. Let's have a look in here. Wow, that's old school.
I don't see how they should make money. All these things. Oh my gosh.
Anyway, she's a bit broken, that one. Wow, that's cool. Old school wash machines. Very good.